The world of trading and investments has evolved significantly in the past few decades, and one of the most powerful forces driving this change today is artificial intelligence, AI. While AI has been used for various purposes across industries, its application in the financial sector, particularly in stock market trading, has brought about a revolution that is only expected to accelerate in the years to come. Understanding the role of AI in stock market trading. Artificial intelligence is fundamentally transforming the way stock market trading works. Traders and investors are now using sophisticated algorithms, machine learning models, and data-driven tools to predict market trends, optimize portfolios, and execute trades in real time. But how exactly is AI being applied in stock market trading? And what does this mean for individual investors, institutional traders, and the financial markets as a whole? AI-powered algorithms for market predictions. One of the primary ways AI is being used in stock market trading is through the development of advanced algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data and predict market trends. These algorithms are built on machine learning models that learn from historical data and market conditions to make forecasts about future stock price movements. By processing real-time data from a wide variety of sources, such as social media, news outlets, financial reports, and market sentiment, AI algorithms are capable of identifying patterns and correlations that might not be immediately obvious to human traders. In the past, stock market analysis required manual effort, with analysts looking through financial reports, charts, and news articles to make predictions. However, AI is changing this process by making predictions faster, more accurate, and more comprehensive. With the ability to analyze data in real time and make rapid decisions, AI is offering traders a significant advantage over traditional methods. For example, AI algorithms can monitor stock price fluctuations, identify patterns, and execute trades automatically based on predefined criteria. This is particularly useful for high-frequency trading, HFT, where trades need to be executed within milliseconds to capitalize on small price movements. AI-driven HFT systems are able to identify opportunities in real time, adjust strategies based on market conditions, and place orders much faster than human traders. Machine learning and deep learning for market analysis. Machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL, are two subsets of AI that have gained significant traction in stock market trading. Both ML and DL involve training models to recognize patterns in data, but they differ in their complexity and applications. Machine learning involves creating algorithms that can learn from historical data and improve their predictions over time. ML models can be used to identify correlations between various market indicators and price movements, which can help traders make better informed decisions. Deep learning, on the other hand, uses artificial neural networks that are modeled after the human brain to process large volumes of unstructured data. DL models are particularly useful for tasks such as natural language processing, NLP, which involves analyzing news articles, social media posts, and other text-based content to determine market sentiment. By training these models on vast amounts of data, deep learning can identify trends that might not be apparent through traditional technical analysis methods. The combination of ML and DL allows traders to gain deeper insights into market conditions and make data-driven decisions more efficiently. These tools are often integrated into AI-powered trading platforms, which offer a range of services, from real-time market analysis to automated trade execution. AI in portfolio management. Portfolio management is another area where AI is making a significant impact. Traditionally, portfolio managers relied on human expertise to select investments and rebalance portfolios based on market conditions. However, AI-powered portfolio management systems are now automating many of these tasks, using data-driven insights to create and manage portfolios that are optimized for risk and return. AI-powered systems analyze an investor's financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon to create a diversified portfolio that is aligned with their investment strategy. These systems can then monitor market conditions, adjust the portfolio as needed, and provide real-time feedback to investors. The ability to make data-driven decisions in real time allows investors to react more quickly to market changes, potentially improving their returns and reducing their risk. Additionally, AI tools are able to take into account a wide range of factors that influence the market, including economic indicators, interest rates, geopolitical events, and market sentiment. By continuously analyzing these factors, AI systems can help investors optimize their portfolios and make more informed investment decisions. Automated trading and execution. Automated trading is one of the most popular applications of AI in the stock market. With the rise of algorithmic trading, many traders are relying on AI-driven systems to automatically execute trades based on specific market conditions. These systems use a variety of strategies, including trend following, mean reversion, and arbitrage, to identify profitable opportunities in the market. AI-powered trading bots can analyze multiple data sources simultaneously, such as real-time stock prices, financial reports, and even social media sentiment, to make decisions about when to buy or sell a stock. By automating this process, traders can eliminate the emotional component of decision-making and reduce the risk of making impulsive or poorly timed trades. One of the major advantages of automated trading is its ability to operate 24/7 without the need for human intervention. This allows traders to take advantage of global markets and capitalize on opportunities that might arise outside of regular trading hours. Additionally, AI-driven systems can execute trades with high precision and speed, ensuring that opportunities are seized before they disappear. AI in crypto trading. AI is not limited to traditional stock markets. It is also making waves in the world of cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile and difficult to predict, but AI tools are helping traders navigate this challenging market by providing data-driven insights and automated trading strategies. AI-driven systems in the cryptocurrency market use similar techniques as those in traditional stock market trading, such as machine learning, deep learning, and sentiment analysis. These systems can analyze historical price data, monitor social media channels, and track news stories to predict price movements and identify profitable trading opportunities. Crypto bots are commonly used in automated trading to execute buy and sell orders on behalf of traders. These bots can be programmed with specific trading strategies and operate 24/7, taking advantage of price fluctuations in the highly liquid crypto markets. In addition to trading bots, AI is also used for portfolio management and cryptocurrency investments. AI systems can help investors track their portfolios, analyze market trends, and optimize their asset allocation to reduce risk and increase returns. AI for risk management in trading. One of the most valuable applications of AI in trading is risk management. AI-powered systems are capable of monitoring market conditions and analyzing historical data to identify potential risks and adjust trading strategies accordingly. AI tools can calculate the probability of certain market events occurring and assess the potential impact on a trader's portfolio. By predicting the likelihood of adverse market movements, AI systems help traders manage risk more effectively and avoid making trades that could result in significant losses. Moreover, AI systems can help traders set appropriate stop-loss and take profit levels, automatically closing positions when certain risk thresholds are met. This helps to limit losses and lock in profits without requiring constant monitoring of the markets. AI tools for retail traders. While institutional traders have been using AI for years, the rise of AI-powered platforms has made these tools more accessible to retail traders. Many platforms now offer AI-driven solutions that are designed for individual investors, allowing them to take advantage of the benefits of algorithmic trading without the need for advanced programming skills. Platforms such as eToro, TradeStation, and MetaTrader now incorporate AI features that help traders identify market trends, execute trades, and manage risk. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and integrate AI-powered tools that allow retail traders to trade more effectively and efficiently. The future of AI in trading and investment. As AI technology continues to evolve, the future of trading and investment looks increasingly data-driven and automated. Quantum computing, blockchain technology, and 5G connectivity are all expected to further enhance AI's capabilities in the financial markets. These advancements will enable AI systems to process even more data, make faster decisions, and identify opportunities with greater accuracy. In the coming years, AI will likely become an even more integral part of the financial ecosystem. Investors will continue to rely on AI to optimize their portfolios, automate trading strategies, and manage risk. As AI becomes more sophisticated, its ability to predict market movements and deliver personalized investment strategies will only improve. Conclusion: AI is changing the way we trade, invest, and manage our financial futures. From automated trading and algorithmic strategies to portfolio management and risk mitigation, AI-powered tools are helping traders and investors make smarter, more informed decisions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, the future of trading and investment will be driven by AI, offering new opportunities and greater efficiency for all. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. AI tools should be used responsibly and in accordance with applicable regulations.